Barangay Karamatan. I am your punong barangay, Anthony Chuwadahili. I am here now to present the Executive Order number 20, Series of 2021, from the Office of the Provincial Governor, Governor Anging Quebranza Dimapuro. So we will proceed to the Section 1 of the Executive Order number 20, Series of 2021. Section 1, Antigen testing of the private hospitals and managing the patient with a positive result. All private hospitals in the entire province who are conducting antigen tests to patients before they are admitted shall ensure that when the patient antigen test yields a positive result, the hospital shall coordinate with the Rural Health Unit RHU where they are located to ensure that they are subjected to a confirmatory test. The patient who tested positive shall not be permitted to go out of the hospital facility where the antigen test was performed until the official result of the confirmatory test has been released. The patient who obtained an antigen positive result shall be subjected to a confirmatory test through the RT-PCR test and shall be isolated in the designated holding areas of the private hospital awaiting the result of the RT-PCR test performed. Under Section 2 of the Executive Order 20, Series of 2021, Section 2 on the mass testing. All mass testing performed by any private entity, local government units, and the national line agencies shall only be conducted after coordination with the Provincial Incident Management Team of the Province of Lanao del Norte. The entity or agency who wishes to undergo mass testing must ensure that they have adequate isolation facilities which can cater to the patient with a positive result. We will proceed to the Section 3. Public events and gatherings. All public events and gatherings such as meetings, conference, conventions, trainings, parties, faith-based and religious gatherings, basketball games, volleyball games, billiard games, cockfighting, and other social activities of the same nature are strictly prohibited until the duration of this executive order. We will proceed to Section 4 of the Provincial Executive Order number 20. Section 4, temporary closure of all tourism destinations with a sudden surge of COVID-19 cases and the entire province of all tourism destinations in the province are ordered temporarily closed immediately until August 31, 2021. The tourism destination includes but not limited to beaches, the falls, rivers, lakes, swimming pools, garden resorts, bike trails, and mountaineering trails. Section 5. Movement of persons within the province. In accordance with the existing ordinance of the province of Lanao del Norte and the guidelines of the National Interagency Task Force for Emerging Infectious Disease, all residents of the province of Lanao del Norte are strongly encouraged to remain at home. It is absolutely necessary for them to go out or travel. There shall no leisure activities and the travels, especially those not belong to the following categories: pregnant women, people with the immunodeficiency or immune compromise, or with other health risks, persons who are 18 years old below, and those who are age 65 and above, except when indispensable travel, the circumstances for obtaining the essential goods and services for work in the industries and offices which still employs age 65 years old and above. And we'll proceed to the Section 6, establishing of border quarantine control points of the municipalities. In our desire to reduce the number of positive cases in the entire province, or to stop the sudden surge of COVID-19 cases, the municipalities in the entire province which have an active cases more than 10 as of August 15, 2021, based on the data of the Provincial Incident Management Team, shall immediately establish a border quarantine control point in the respective municipalities in order to ensure that the people are only going out of their homes for essential work and travels. The Philippine National Police, the PNP, are directed to provide augmentation to concerned municipalities to aid them in the money and the border quarantine control points to set up the strategic location of their municipalities. And then this Provincial Executive Order number 20, series of 2021, section 9. The effectivity of this Provincial Executive Order, this order shall take effect immediately upon the signing thereof and shall have force and effect until August 31, 2021. Issued this 18th day of August 2021 at the Provincial Government Center, Pigkarangan, Tubod, Lanao del Norte. Signed by our Provincial Governor, Governor Anging Quibranza Dimapuro.